Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to bring you guys a review. I was contacted by the company Flowsole. It's the sole that you put inside the shoes, and I say yes. And the simple reason is because my husband, he has job that he has to walk, and he walks a lot. And how many steps a day do you take, more or less?
About 35 to 40,000 steps a
About
day.
35 to 40,000 steps a day. And right now he's using a pair from another company, which I am not going to mention. So, which I am not going to mention, guys. We're going to review, my husband is going to review this. I was gonna do this for me because I walk a lot during the summertime, but I figure I'll leave it for him because he walks a lot. I don't know if these are one size fits all, but well, it says here size small. I don't know, but I don't know if he can use them or not. So we're going to try them. This is what they look like. This is what it looks like. So it has the arch support right here, and I will read a little bit about them. So let's see. It says Flowsole insole care guidelines. Okay, that's to take care. Okay. Okay. Well, it doesn't say much. It just say how to take care of them, avoid direct sunlight exposures, can reduce the lifespan of the sole if you store in a cold, dry place when not in use. Periodically inspection, replace the insole promptly when sign of wear. And this is insole. Okay, how to trim it. If you have a small feet, to trim. And also gives you the R code there. So can you use them? Yeah. Okay. It shows you here. You see the inside of the box. So this is the inside of the box, and it says relief plantar fast. The pain between the
Flantonitis?
Yes, flantonitis. It says high intensity shock absorbing material, a new cushioning design, evenly distribute pressure on the feet, reducing stress of foot joint, health relief pain. And yes, that's what my husband needs because he has, yeah. And then it says arch support, strong material over 3.5 centimeters, providing a support, so relief, foot pain relief. And it also tells you right here on the bottom of the box, you see these little 3 points right here. It tells you a health for foot pain relief insole. It shows the ankle, the knee, and the low back. And my husband, when it comes to his feet and the low back, it'll be killing him by the time he comes from working out of work. So you also have more things in here. It brings everything. So with this, you could educate yourself about it more. And believe me, guys, my husband needs a good pair of shoes. But guys, check out Flowsole. Here it is, the box. I am going to leave all the information to the website in my description box below. I don't know if I have a discount code, but if I do, I will link it in my description box below. So guys, it says when tired and painful, search Flowsole. So
Actually, it's very good.
yeah.
Yep.
So
Very nice.
hold on, guys.
Very good.
So
these are polo boots, and they have hard sole, and they feel very, very, very good.
So you feel like it's supporting your
yes,
feet?
I can. It feels the arch is right on there.
Yeah.
So it's not like it's like off. It's right on your arch. So you perfect. Perfect.
Is it?
Yep.
So that's
Perfect.
awesome.
That's it.
So when we're gonna go, and my husband is gonna go and walk outside, and let's see how that works. Okay, guys? So how do you feel, and which one do you have on?
I have the left one on, and it feels really, really comfortable compared to not having it on the right one. But I can feel it.
So
it feels so comfortable.
So compared to all the other ones that you have bought, you have spent so much money on different soles for shoes. So do you think this is a good brand, a good support? It supports you the right way?
Yes, it does.
It does.
Yep, sure does.
So tomorrow you're going to be using them anyway. You've been using them for quite a while now, so you like the product, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So guys, there you have it, by the person that's been using them, and I recommend this product. And what's the brand again?
Flowsole.
Flowsole. Well,
Get it, it's worth it.
so what did you, out of 1 out of 10, what did you give it?
I gave it a 10.
Oh, well,
compared to other ones, yeah, give it a 10.
Thank you for all your help and for demonstrating the product. All right, guys. Well, I want to say thank you to Flowsole for reaching out to me, and you guys could not reach me at any better time because this was needed. And honestly, I have not heard about this product. This is the first time that I heard about it. So guys, if you guys have problem with your feet standing in your job, walking, I mean, even going for your daily task, check this product out. Like I said, I will be leaving all the information in my description box below. Check them out and give it a try, guys. Give it a try. There's nothing to lose. When you go to Walmart, they have a machine there that you stand and they check your feet and they give you a pair of the insoles. My husband have done it many times, but they just flat all the way through. It doesn't have the arch support, and this one have the arch support. So guys, if you have like what we call it, some people call it the professional thing, but we call it the flat foot. This will give you the arch support, which once you get your arch supported, it'll help line up your body straight, your ankles, your knees, your back, and that's what. Once you have that support, that eliminates your back pain, your body aches. So guys, there's nothing to lose. Check this out. My husband recommends it, and you guys saw he's not a small person. He's a big dude, so you need that support when you're working, guys. So my husband is 6 feet tall, and it's hard for them to find some good product. So he's been trying it for quite a while. It's been like maybe 24 hours. So he recommends it. He went to work, used them, came back, did it, and he came back and he was happy. He was happy. Every time he comes from work, he's exhausted, in pain. Not today. Not today. So I want to say thank you, Flowsole, for reaching out to me. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.